And so na me answer no. Mechia adofo no machia obi bia was supporting PM Rain's brand to this extent. I want to say God bless you all and my loved one, my family, my haters, everybody. Thank you.
Hey, your haters. Yeah. Do you have haters?
And in life, we have haters. Sometimes you will know. Won't me who say you're a hater, but who post it, you will say, I'm more comment section down. I'm not much your team say, this is my, if I will keyboard warriors. Yes. Eh, na ebi me ka say PM na ya na ajo ana say me na me ko find say be brand that to me so but ntisa surprisingly no baby am me din PM no. You know, apart from say me code yasa no because reality show be a friend of Sexual Plus.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So that was on 2013.
Oh.
Yeah, because Sexual Plus we meet me in TV station.
Yeah.
Yes. So me call you know I me that's some kind of me papa ayare.
Okay.
Inti TV ho no say ukra also to me try to unya sa reality we in moment na so okay. Inti o wa no ye peke number na ye koye. Ye ko share ye peke ye koye nkofo dawson. Edru me so ni etimi ye dey ye fire. Judges ne baako card yes two baako card no. Ma me call exercise nyina echi ni nyina echi yes ya do mo fa me. Into no more office war Jolu highway ni so Sexual Plus.
Oh, okay.
Ti e call na afi yes obi anfa edin obe yusu stage yes or stage name it's immediate abawo pa ma chocho list bebre we say oh sexy diva sexy obolo tipsy ma me hear me now say ba me wo dey mbodi bi e short bi.
Okay.
So woman no sorry say me finish day but ona na chaperone. Okay. Yeah, on the case okay what obisam say me din me full name here dey na me butcher no that was Precious Mensah. Okay. And also okay near fa P ne fa M near dey account that is Mr. me yeah. Okay. Ono na chaperone make Sexual Plus. Until that is how I had my name. Okay. Until me di free ho na me name mo and I'm who say social media no a platform man. It's going to help. Okay. So I started that channel near dear me be most juma you know in life and certain channels via you ube share nyama be one my sometimes positive it means a negative. So me wanna me call from a friend say me call year registration be or APES. Okay. The APES so how no year advertising company. Okay. In case of so your advert and I say via so when you call me you know and I'm seeing to more plus size I'm on my adverts. So that time no na I didn't go in since mo say adverts number na glow adverts. Oh okay. Into no na omenye bi wo Nigeria dada. Omeye main advert into come it me fa wa han come e billboard ni voice over. Ho na sika ni do so no. But unfortunately kululu bi ko share Nigeria ho man ni fa ni nya na say video ni pe no mo pe wa ha. Oh okay. And I'm the koye adverts into 2013 ni mu na. Me de call me name Madam Fubi your friend say Mary ono so neto so pa se sa wodi em oh hey me auntie don't go there it's all there so pa aka mami not as a tour oh okay yeah as a tour no ewebusuan nim ewebusuan chemfa maji ye nyina ye de aboso body ni de baby everywhere. 8 p.m. call school when you because school or I don't think senior high school and a private school. Oh, okay. Yeah, crying check be a homecoming. Okay. That will be July to August. Yeah, I will going to me highway in so. Oh, okay. The one I'm cool school. Oh, wow. Yeah. It's a brother in a school. Me school in early say 2000s anymore. Any ache. SS. Secondary school, right? Secondary school. Hey, any chapel. Yeah. Wow. Oh, my mama, you do say. Me, mama, my year for 2 boys, 2 girls. Me, your last one cried me Brian side. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Very handsome boy. Yeah. Wow. Met it in a man bag girl. PM. Abrabum to say. Okay. Make us say a year. Okay. say I'm sway there menka say me she dey ntwe mu 100 and I me call 40
okay
but kakra na mafim na ye gu so acclaim me
okay ekwan ben na PM fa so a obewura diasem
okay Diasa no season 1 Belinda, may you say rest in perfect peace. Madame Fubrebo, Minia, Madina, Menenico share or busy plus.
Okay.
And you find your uncle. So no link name be seen so. And you call your advert ma, Diasa for season 1.
Oh, okay.
So you call your advert Nimono. Me, I made them who say, now me at time young girl, my son is she. Say you may be about they say free while and they would dim. Because when you talk of peck a crowd, they are yes, sort of Nyama odds. It's your call your advert in the morning, Muno. Now, one call for season 1, send you call viral. People were thinking, say, I'm part of it, but not me in Kahun. It's in Nyama, yes, and come be a I don't know one call register for next season. Yeah, then I'm so me need serving me Mary. Ain't me Auntie Mary at a mammy or Caswa. Okay. One in the crew last summer or Canada. You call one time be. Nti akwa we a ni kunu ye kokko ko chile ni ade sometimes obefa ho akoton ade PM
nchwa na ope chilling pa
chilling there life is too short you need to share some art and you need to chill
okay
you understand?
Okay yeah
I say you need to chill okay. So ye kokko wono ye chili bia ye chile ni etombi. If you want a woman be or baby a coswe no, and he fe be or no, mammy, me shower or could dia say bebo. To come baby obiase kodiasa, obiase kodiasa. Me kwana mse my bread, any dia say diasa. I'm saying me na me adverse mom season 1, so I don't have no interest. No, so I want to urge you. I want you to go. I'm so okay. Sad time ni muna. That was 2019 time ni muna. That time no more yet. On my lunch navy or more yet. Open forum no almost start to work.
Okay.
So mobile crowd na me wa ha. Chum. Inti me ma me kwa man crowd me busiani me fiefo nyina me share me boot share me biker short na me to modo me market. Wow. Me call ye na ge si ho mi omu yem di gegem because body omo hwe no abi na me da. Me ko nya na obi ase me ge we ene me film kofo bebre to say by 5 e can say no don't register again they'll come next season because they know since they don't have chance if I'm there. But I want since when God says it's your time,
then it's your time.
No matter what, if like because me say me coach you fear, I mean if they come me do fear for some time. Me auntie the cast okay. Won't you consider? I'm say me na me share nyema me fa me boots share me jersey top share me biker me fa car me kuma no ye dress and no say owusu no say na me ye friend me abna no say I didn't see na e go ba o kwai na me say kuma me check ade o each try ho baby aba nti o ase mo fie bi owo yi body de me ba me kwai na me qualify no city akra me time na on base zone no we renew odomi a we be call tema nti na say we be originals and sane afaw nti no ye fa me wo domino and ye originals no ti ye originals ne de call tema nti me fi domi ba no na ye bom me sefi domi a be du fie ti me be du fie no na me fie gate ayema
from domi to Central Hill
to Central me be do fie na me fie ayema ba na me say na dey man kan chiro bia o me refi say TV so na go here no
okay
yeah because the thing about we meant me kan chiro bia na say me kai say me come sector me susu ho chenko for I told my friends and staff omuka say oh Charlie doggy we dey via me ni ade I'm so okay it me free ho na me to me ho for say me ko ye bibia I won't tell anybody about it okay I'll make the move first say me ko na 50-50 it's a praise on my side because ne ko to nsuma wa hu manim na me di si wa hu say me ra ho a wo bo me na ka che obisa me de ade an ma ka che say Charlie because yes and job bi na insisi so then be the marry ho afo maka ye ko see each but say make from the beginning there because say me ho like bibi me ko bibi na me ka che obi a it doesn't succeed so I don't tell people anything I want to do.
Enti time a wo ko dia sana wonim say ubewi ni ana because wo ko no na nkofo bebre wo mti na wonim say wo de wo to kese no kwa ko kan wo masha na say because na so mo to no wo de na no wo den chi wo nyina o Now when is saying
to be realistic. Because yes, and I didn't have the mind say because at the end of the day, you know, even though said they were looking for body, no, but no more other things are on motion.
Okay.
Apart from so body, no, you need to have the energy. Also to me what skills, no, you need to be creativity. Also to me sir. You may say no. Na me sadie, but na me nye Mike. Me ntimi start to say Michael Jackson. Me so I mean dance Lloyd. And I mean so I mean to me incredible Ziggy story. But me de me kakra me timi aye no. I can do it. Wow. So I didn't have the mind say no. Intina ebi mo yire omo ho, ebi is acrobatic, ebi de omo kon wo ho. Me de asano me nkoye rehearsals but me ti beat na me say metimi de me sa aye bibia. Okay. Me de alo be shim. Say na body ni dia na ye yire ho. Say ye ti me ma pause ni akonu usio. Na mo back pay. Yes, I'm to aso. Wow. Yes. Odi for weti me di ma dance. Odi for so ba metimi sa an maka. Ma ka say mama ne sign say you ma kono ma ma beto aso. You understand? Because then na me sheda na me so nti na me timi me ho gidi sa ba me wie ye no you say oh house on ma do fa nyema bebre mu you who say show no is not all about say you win alone. They'll groom you. Oh, okay. And when they groom you, they'll give you the platform. It's you have to use as a mileage for yourself. Oh. And therefore to Uber pass you a healthy lifestyle. Because you will other dietitian coming through to psych you psychologically, mentally and stuff. Oh, wow. Yeah, it's a very great platform. Wow. Yeah.
You ever say bisa say okodi asano judges no obi kan bibia one pair ananso say e bia meka say audience no omo so kan bibi ma ne bu wabem comment ben e na wote ya anya wo de ene de ye wo de.
Okay. Me PM per se, my whole life I've been like a movie.
Okay.
So when you walk on the road, people will be they'll be doing their own stuff. I'm used to. Once ya so ni say. Oko baby ya. O so do sabe o bra size. Yes, e koyo what do you call it?
China na.
Shop or na say. Or more can be because of bra. You say yes, so tena.
I just said that pam bra size.
Yes, I say so all these things I'm used to. Okay. Say Kenya dia asanya ma we be call school ni ade. Me say me na be call me mama. E be call school, be call through school. No be a pie. Wow. Ebe work.
Wow. Wow.
So I'm used to. So nothing like negative comments really push me because I'm used to. Unless maybe I want to mind you. Okay. When I want to mind you, then me and you we are on the edge. You go down with me. Hey. Because I won't let you. Won't see sometimes wrong. So comments we say no. Away would down. Away would down. A bit more to me a committee suicide. If just recently Lady Way Mona Lisa Stevens yes we free honestly you say honest not your body positivity ambassador. Okay. Because within the page is not also encouraging Crawford to slim near there to live some lady be on also all looking up to her no also comments near there so committee suicide. Hey. Yes, Obi-Wan more to me. But me PM dear, I don't care. Wow. I want to tell you, I don't care. I like your confidence. I don't care. Wow. I quite remember me ma call me photo shoots. Nenya me adom. Big girls online. What Ajingano. Ama matadi a sponsor ma call me photo shoot. Na ma post you minka obia. Na lady bi ave cho wasi. How de ka? Mami animal bi anka. Minka so considerate. Wakofa animal name is skin color yepe. I see me hippopotamus. Are you serious?
It's a lie. Oh, serious.
Me see me go papa. Omo afa no hanche no. O man in life here miserable. Na me call ni DM. Na me nan so boko die. O ye sure so sorry ye. Baby like obi abonana and obi na kontokwa like oni me die. Then e ye no. When me reply me na me call the photos. Fanchen you know me twemo sabe ne ho on same me bi ne ho nya fe. Wow. Iti on mama who say no people like this no they don't have also more data 2 cities no mama be sometimes a matured person who wants to tell you the truth. Me sometimes when I post, people come to my DM, oh, I want you to lose weight.
Oh wow.
They'll tell you the truth.
Okay.
I have so many people, oh PM, no, I want to, such people, I pay attention to them because someone story. They have the mind.
Okay.
You get it? But those ones, the other ones, oh.
Wow. So, who you be a PM ubufuntem?
Sometimes say first, when people say those things, I just watch it. I won't reply. Be sure I don't reply.
Okay.
I say, I end the panic.
Okay.
No, I continue, no, aba.
Okay.
Just recently, me posted where I'm a short case near day. So just recently, me posted here. Some lady me posted was say, as if she eats or the whole village. So yes, so she wants your village to also eat. So where is your village? Yes, you go back to when you don't do them like that. They'll bully you, they intimidate you.
Oh, okay.
They'll put you back to your shop. Okay. It's not easy for a plus size woman to stand on social media. TikTok now, but most of plus size and most of plus size groups need reality shows and are boosting most of them their confidence. So when you do that, you're not helping us. One will be on my own yammy confidence. No, okay, 1 2 okay, and I had a MPMU. Obi onuma obema back to back. I have a friend who stays at Osu behind the papaya Aunt Linda. Oh no, cause or back to back or no obey wa ma wa ubesu.
PM. Are you emotional type? O sign a quick tempered and I don't know your person you.
Me a honey ho. As a human being there, you need to can't say you be low.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, I'm not a saint. So far I say I dear wow betting I won't say I'm a quick tempered person. I won't say I'm too emotional. Okay. But I'm in between.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Sanya wotie no. Eya etoda wabemubu.
Yeah.
Wow. Asking how.
Sometimes when you see all these comments and stuff, it gets to you. Me, I won't lie. Sometimes it gets to me, and I feel to miss the person that will fight. It gets to me to the core. Okay. Seriously, it gets to me. I want to just meet the person. Then I ask the person why.
So a day intina etoda a ya nasani a wotie no wabem ebu a day inti.
Especially when people make it look like plus size people don't deserve to be at a certain place. Okay. In an industry like this, people, the focus are on people are omoye so slim near there. Plus size for no ebimbenya most of we are just a while who link her a bit me push you na say we link here back up na say we near connection. What's the make say? And I can say when you say adverts we say ni panic to me creating money for plus size side. You bet me a contact to be a plus size to get to you. Okay. You understand? Sometimes make you feel say, hey. Also, Suma will suit you. And sometimes social media to plays a very big role. Because sometimes we can be looking nice, nanny way, baby or near and say, and you say when this person we need then I have to try to say because what you say people are looking up to that person to get more things.
Bibi or they are working, yeah. And him fan and a fat no udi begu because one obetwetwe ebia wonnan ebia sabi wo yam kakra na odi akogu koto se etu yi so na ayese story be wodi eno na him fa na odi be kakogu. Okay, so
bibi no your in case of best our body enhancement your ties be brave. Okay, in case o ambassador son obesimi eyen. Okay, then maybe you do with your stomach. Okay. Open now person or 9 year pencil. Maybe say person na be pencil. 9 year pencil o koto nyina be yo.
Me kra de 9 year pencil nti me pa cho me person o so 9 year pencil.
Yes and now say na baby one ma you want to mold it.
Oh, okay.
On city social media most ladies there. Some of us look up to them and others to look up to us. Okay. You understand? Yeah. So there's certain things on mobile put you know. We feel say okay, lady way send your comfort and sure be we change your looks kakra. Then also people will come into your DM, you get deals and things. So you want to channel to where the person is also going.
Enipo yes slim and as a ma woman yet slimmer. Yeah, as a word my room and I say me who how I make as a winnie diomachi as a open so yet to say oh ma or yes slimmer. And tell me your wish is open so yet is one.
Oh, okay. So me who ladies on me slimmer. I admire them, but right now I can't do anything about it.
Okay.
So I say, oh, you look beautiful. I like what you're wearing.
Okay.
Fine. So me too. I'll look onto that. and I'll shape myself. Oh, your plus size I want. It depends on how you work on yourself.
Okay.
Well, the way
Mama bebem sisi ya.
Senya obeshe watadi.
Okay. How I'll be dressed.
Senya, but also sometimes your dresses be on master plus size. Osha, e be exposed to be brave. Obi hu a go wear crap and na own sister.
Okay.
Into a type of dress a obesha e betimi a module a shape.
Okay.
Into na me can say.
Okay. Me tia say pa. It is a o san be wi ase bi mu a. Ka be pese o man say obey slim. Anase. Obey medium.
Maybe in between. At least size 12 won't be bad.
Okay. It is a one kasa o bow one. It's a one kasa bow one. I mean shape be anase size be. Anaka sen a be pese obe bow.
Rather yes me challenge you. Me challenge you. But at least I make a size 12, you know.
Oh, okay.
I like my breasts a little bit yet go. My stomach to go. I like my buttocks.
Okay, wow. Okay, so say now what to hono. What your size ahe?
215 kg. Yeah.
Weigh 215 kg.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
It's ka wunya ya nka be weigh sense here.
Yeah, I mean 95.
95. And a obrizer size and so you saying.
Which I don't really know. Me use me old ones no. And
old ones no.
I don't recall. I just say and who say no ma koshe we know to use it. I don't. It makes me maybe 46 GD. Okay. Yeah, I'm sure.
Eti mema ushia mema sign ya omuhu esifa.
Okay, we have people who they don't like plus size women.
Okay.
They don't. It's a no. It's a turn off.
Oh, okay.
And sorry, I can't do that about me. Okay. You know. And we have others. Oh, the love plus size woman.
So, do you have a boyfriend?
Oh, Nayas.
Yes, darling. Yeah, no, I want you to tell us. Do you have a boyfriend? Or do you have boyfriends?
Hey, boyfriends, they are menu. Okay, my boyfriend's out there. If you know yourself, kisses to you.
Yeah, do you have a boyfriend?
Oh, nice,
do you have serious
baby.
boyfriend?
Oh.
Mama, 18 person obemwa obetimi abemwa daroma. Do you have a boyfriend? How do you hear me pa?
Okay, oh, maybe I think I feel maybe I'm in something serious, and maybe that person is not feeling we are in a relationship, you know.
Okay.
So I can't say. Are you sure we are? Because
what's nache?
I don't know.
Is it because I want you na said ye?
To say, oh no, I won't say I have people I'm talking to. Yeah. Let me put it that way.
When go out, do you have a boyfriend? You say, as a when you want to be, as a only GDB.
That be me person me Jenny Pana. Obi banu etum say me boyfriend. Best on no on for me serious.
Okay.
So me ma for the walk up na edu baby I said on time check it up near there no. Yeah, say kind of boyfriend. Oh mommy sikebi me nya she. What do I say? Sorry, I'm not saying that, but it's understand.
One nante sase o call o baby. And a baby be a chase you average number set and need to hope it's on what's another.
Oh, so many times.
So many times.
So many times.
Wow.
Yeah. Let me correct myself before people start to fight me.
Okay.
I have a boyfriend.
Okay.
Okay. I have someone serious.
Okay.
Unless God knows best.
Okay.
Let's see. So very soon, save the dates will be coming.
Oh, really?
Finally. Yeah.
Wow. Finally. Oh, okay. It's yen share him dabe. We worried dabe.
Very soon. Very soon.
Oh, say.
Very soon.
Very soon.
Soon can be anywhere. It can be
tomorrow.
December. It can be July. Can be anywhere. So save the date. And also a bit more. I mean, use so platform in Kabibi. Unfortunately, because yeah, music video mobi na our video. Me share gun near there.
Okay.
So ama people have this miscommunication. Say I'm already married. It's not true.
Okay.
I'm not married.
Okay.
I'm not.
Okay.
I'm about to.
Oh, okay.
So when you're sleeping, pray for me.
Okay.
At least I'll be the second largest plus size woman in the world, Ghana, and the world to get married.
Wow.
So you'll be there. Maybe you with me.
There be. Men to us one. PM wedding fee saying.
My age.
Yes, we want to know.
I don't like to say my age.
No, tell us how old are you? We want to know. Say wedding fee say.
Yeah, you know, yes, age there, yeah, na. Yen time can't.
No, but you see who PM unfair wedding. We want to know. It was a show where a life experience.
Okay.
A show.
Let me say I'm in my late 30s. Yes. Yeah.
Oh really? Yeah. And they're when you 29.
Yeah.
Wow. When ya anasafe na when ya
29. Oh me birthday 19th January.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. Opportunities be na dia call dia sano ebibi amount.
Oh, okay. Through dia sano I've worked with people, worked with Stone Boy. That was last year with the track, Wine with Spice Official. I've done an advert for the other spices. A few works.
So into no person.
Yeah. With featuring Pam Eugene. I done an advert for Glow.
It is our opportunities winning is because of the asa and the mouse winning Anna.
Yeah, let me see. It's because of the asa. Because I didn't know since we called the asa no. Even though some call me sexual, people know me, but not yet too much.
But just yeah,
so let me the shoot up from there. They be me grateful say, me call ye because me call ye no come me say ka woni me.
Debut.
Come mama ka woni me. And so I'm grateful for them.
Wow.
For making PM to become PM.
And we are proud of you. You're so beautiful.
And because of due to the answer now, I've started not long ago, just like last week. Now I have my own ushering services. That is PM ushering service. In case you are doing, we want girls to.
Are they equally plus size girls?
I'm targeting plus size, but I want to mix.
Can it cheek? I kind of rough no can
ushering services.
Okay.
So me targeting a plus size curvy women, but not plus size like me. No, curvy women, and mix with young slim ladies to blend. Yeah. Because don't see plus size, the reason for it is to empower plus size women.
Okay. Me tell say go for make us celebrities no and as go for how the try music videos pa. If you say we say who date celebrities ni bia na na omo tie e do try music videos na say because yentia say o te twa pa e bia na eja one or two people do ma who date wo ma ye de ye nim enu ti na adwuma ne ba ya na che say pa na o ma frɛ wo no ma ye hu e.
Oh, okay. I'm not dating any musician. I'm not dating anyone. Sometimes God connects people with you. You don't know.
Okay.
So I'll thank Bab's Direction. And I'll made that J Songs in Swasi or Makati. And I made that SBO Ebenezer because true or no na me call ni kechemucha no darling video, no.
Okay.
And the likes of a whole lot of people. I'm sorry if I couldn't mention your name.
All right.
Grateful.